name's Mona. I'm from River Timber Designs and I work with rescued timbers and resin. So I do everything from jewellery pieces to tables, as you might be able to see. Here's one of the pieces that I'm working on at the moment. This is actually going to be a countertop for the checkout counter at Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. So that's going to be quite cool. Hoping to get that one installed next week. Fingers crossed that the resin will cure in time. And that's actually a two-piece that's going to go in. And over here, you know you're busy when you have lots of projects going on at the same time. So over here I've got my coaster blanks. So they're ready for their sand and cut to size. That's quite a cool one as well, because that's a grey resin with some copper leaf in it. Yes. And over here I've got some jewellery. So that's ready to be sanded and shaped into their final shapes.